we have 5 a to the third b to the 7th times 2 a to the 9 b to the 2 and c to the 4. What's different about this one is there's extra variables, right? It's still the same kind of. What's 5 times 2? 10. But we can only use that product rule, adding the exponent on like variables. So this one's a to the 3, and we have a to the 9. So what would that give us? A to the 12. Does that make sense so far? We've got b to the 7 and b to the 2. B to the 9. And then what else are we still going to have? C to the 4th. Does that make sense so far? This is the simple part. You're going to have to memorize all these rules and apply it back for the rest of the chapter. Make sure they make sense. Down in practice A, write this. 3x to the 2nd, 9y to the 2nd, and 4xy. What are we going to do first? What are we going to do first, like the other ones? Multiply the what? Coefficients, the numbers. What's 3 times 9? 27. 27 times 4 is 108. Doesn't matter. It's just the whole numbers out front. You multiply the whole numbers out front. The things... You're thinking of combining like terms. Combining like terms was the one we were only adding and subtracting. Multiplying, we can do it. Do you guys see that we are multiplying here? We're not adding and subtracting. Multiply the 3, the 9, and the 4 to get the 108. Then we have x to the 2 and x to the 1. So what does that give me? X to the 3rd. And we have y to the 2 and y to the 1. So what's that going to give me? Y cubed, or y to the 3rd. Make sense?